An ancient ribbon across mountains. The Great Wall of China. Built to defend and to awe. Start your climb with me. The Great Wall stretches about 21,196 kilometers. Longer than most countries' coastlines. A human-made line across time. Compare scale. The wall's 13,170 miles would wrap across continents. It's a construction rivaling modern infrastructure. Many sections you see today are Ming-era fortifications. Sections with very steep steps, crenellations, and stone pathways built for warriors. The Great Wall isn't one wall, but many walls and trenches added over centuries. A stitched defense system across eras. If this Great Wall drone tour moved you, then hit subscribe for more travel shorts.